episode for higher GC News. Mima Obibia Akwaba. Latest hot news and I'm a bravo. Na ansana something in Abano. Bomodi ase obe subscribe to channel. Na wa like video, give us a thumbs up. Na fi share wa foforo na when you be here. Na wo hu someone ekoso wo Ghana me mo hanum. Afi ye hwe and someone abeto ye pono so. Yikuti sansemu ya ekoso. Mama yintie nkomo ya ekoso.
The judiciary now across the globe now.
Okay.
There are two contesting ideologies. Obia on a separate opinion regarding the kind of respect I want for the judiciary.
Okay.
So the last time I told you, sir, conservatives, the whole thing is to conserve the old principles, not old ideas, and then as for into when it comes to gayism, then as for nyamechiri, when it comes to way, a typical conservative uphold the reverence that is accorded to the judiciary. So in a typical conservative world, say judge ma ruling na, wonder why na say wo sora can be. But there is another emerging way the liberal world. That liberal world no nose bound. Alaska. Everything can be contested.
Okay.
Because individuals should have the freedom and the room in a democratic setup to question everything. And I think that influence of liberal way democracy, as well over the globe. If you think, say, oh, I'm a judge, me the ruling about one thing, Obiko can match your contempt, I'm say, baby, how I drink.
At the Poncon, me,
Alaska. And unfortunately, generation ya yet me, yam fast animal no nipa na me judge na me hwan. And until for some time now, what who kwanya Ghana for faswa or take the judiciary apart on social media.
Very well.
Because sir reverence na judges enjoy people want to back it with reasoning, logic, common sense. I'm applauding the judge because of I am not applauding the judge because you are working.
Okay.
What I say?
Very well.
We are not generation, will not applaud a judge for doing the job. Now, they will applaud you for doing a good job.
Very well.
So if you do a bad job, they will come after you. And this happen when we know we are getting nation party sa mana draw dry hono. Sa man generation yam found nipa. So you can be the chief justice. Opa pongono crack of anoswa. And now you obey me akwa Pontius Pilate near na no sada de chene ni dua no ne pomano opa ma Moses in fa ne toman ka ho wontimi hunu bia because ruling ne bananyansa ni ma we look you in the face and tell you say you've given a foolish ruling.
That's right.
So the only thing that will save you and then say ruling what the Bible and make sure say nyansa wom Ghana for Bediatuo because my culture say in dispensing justice, the whole essence is holding society together, not to disintegrate society. And the way a judge now ruling know what the potency to
disintegrate,
to fragment society. You should know, say we are mamboy for. And then so nimdia koswama obiye sunya there people are reading. And then makola woman or no ebia or ton tomatoes etimi hu judicial ruling. But you go back to 2010 Sunday man when ya obi a wo she coat na wa dress bag ya judge can say I won one can be.
That's right.
But unse Sunday man nyina fedi. So the chief justice is still living in the past. Sa a typical conservative world that ofuri say oh ohene na a judge na kan semti obi ankoda no. And we want to know why you gave that ruling. What does a nyansa woman as a nyansa nim, and we will come at you. So that is the world people are struggling to survive. And going forward, it's even going to be worse.
That's right.
Because Alaska said the judicial ruling Babontina said Alaska Betimaka said menu Betimaka said, oh nice. I didn't tell me to say stop it. Because it's the other side of way, and this has strict personal opinion. Some may say something stupid that you can't take me on because that's my opinion, how I see that thing. The same way another person can say this is good. So if you are ready to take the good, you should be ready to accommodate the stupid too. What are some Americans?
That's right.
So these are the new trend that these people are lost in. and they don't seem to understand, and they still stick on the higher horses, intimidating people. Say, and I call law school, and I say, hey, Okoba and Yansa 40 form, I'll meet you the Okano, Yansa, you want back Alaska, what are some American? So, what's your Nasam now, Okana? And not mean you can say shining star will say or testify.
That's right.
2024 elections, 2020 election, I have fresh on our mind. The court told Chachuchi Katas, oh, don't worry, the men samba be jina box no ma abe testify until they obey me be question. Edru the judges, including Torkonuu, was on the panel who say, and you're right because affidavit in support no the aba earlier with submission or written submissions in as a phone, enough. Enti German sanse omegina docket numa obi ane ne asem and we want shining star to come and testify mame sa woman when integrity wo he na be ka se wunya tumi afa ye nyansade
onya tumi a
fa ye nyansade ko de obeye bi eda wanim German sa ruling na omama aye se enye by force na you think you can force
shining star
to come and testify Alaska and yete kroma no eye niam bebra akoso ahye Ghana fo abufu ama abufu Ghana fo mu e ba ne sai na Germansa maka che ono petition na ye bag me ensa na si ho
Germansa
I can tell you on authority say ono bag be for na si ho ono ne petition ye sha ase de me say bag be for ma ye bag no petition ma ene si wa twan no ndi ba bi o bia no ono ne Germansa ne sa tete hwan no e ba ya nkom reason no mo
ene macho man no
oh yes macho man no on chance any legon for nkasa no nkope nkokire na de e go petition esi ho no omo de anya se ye fence 23 accusations o me say petition ya bag man esi ho
na ho Ghana
so omo nya ready so Alaska asema make can say uya sa niema na for instance sha issue ye buy
that's right
your friend said this is a flagrant constitutional abuse to a particular group of people because a man for free say a had no to abakon no eye man boy for Germansa share that could twa omu film omonya representative
it's just a text message
yes
a day before election
Alaska
just a text message
asem no call court no ye bo hu di hu agro ma judges we di hu agro ma ene Sam Microphone tena 4 good years and the adeba ko ma Torkonuu we ya ene Owusu eye mamboyefo eni se Ghana ni bia hwenanim ka bi man ne se Alaska ade a onu free se omode ye no yete krom ha ena domilivo papa wo ya oye na dwuma ma en international organization nyina bo na baso okọ na office a ye de lock atutu ne punu ye yinadi adan ya se on proceed on leave and ma biem yet the assembly court immediately now no chief justice was supposed to empanel na papa ni ni nasem ma me no tena ha for almost 2 good years ama domilivo time or the call retirement eson ye ansana we empanel we onya mamboye for and now today this woman is out there crying wolf. She's a joker, I'm telling you.
She's a what?
Oh Alaska
so Jenny be sending message or say my ministry say any president anka all appear before the committee. Anyone, my minister say only respecting from the constitution. Yeah. Is that the constitution actually said there must be a panel. Now you say because say my minister say constitution yeah my president pe ana. Now where so you should on mommy edit so German mommy edit.
And I make say I adopt baby's brain. Because you see, I can tell you, say, a car president Mahamadu this whole process will not go on.
I can't
come on, Juma. A car president Mahamadu come on, better say Juma.
That's right.
But the processes involved, no, Niamana, a woman, are far bigger than the president. The people Ghana for our person woman on corner are far bigger than President Mahamadu. What has happened? And it is not about the wishes of the president. A constitutional process has been set in motion. The respect you have for the president, is not our business.
That's right.
A constitutional process has been activated. This is the Chief Justice telling you, say, or because of obintin and your constitution on in a room. As some no can, and I see and expose to the America say, you see. In some Ghana, a man for discussing issues raw.
They discuss with emotions.
Exactly. Because as I say, we are okay. Who drive details? You should know, sir. Mamenu any respect for even the constitution. Was swear an oath to protect and defend. Or say, constitutional process in a certain emotion, you know, or no, she's not going because of anything. She's going because of the president. And again, the young judges and other people no multi committee na num no on your num because she's better than they are. And my catch is a meeting we as nipa mempenasem na nipa or look down on others.
Exactly.
And you think you are better than others. Do you know how they afraid to be inferiority complex? And then those things never. My catch said so obi nim bibia they adopt a very aggressive posture.
Hostile.
And the
hostility.
Why is it teacher need to make the obon they have weakness within them. That is the only way to shield themselves. So that you don't go close and get to the point of exposing them. That is who they are, Alaska. So dear mama nama all ye nina no enya aban na ogun anim ase. Enya John Mahama na ogun anim ase. Aya Ghana for na who expose you ho akire omo how hollow you are in terms of being a person of integrity. She has demonstrated clearly. I mean, Adia was sealing the fate. There is no coming back.
There is no,
because if she comes back and committee ni we na do no more recommend this omra back. I'm saying say another petition will come because I don't know no what breach a constitution and a chief justice cannot breach a constitution. She lied. Say petition has not been given to her when she knows a copy was given to her.
And I think I said before so be facing constitution or swear under oath.
Oh, Alaska.
And to wear a perjury, is that not it?
Oh, Alaska. And again, some na okay can no. Eba ya okoye sa emotional blackmailing no as Owusu no do bia me wa fa na papa na ni asesa ansem hunu no na wo fa ho. Oh fire no your business. I'm concerned about the integrity of our judiciary.
And you're also talking about
so we have a hero so I don't care about your uncle. I don't even know your uncle and your business. Alaska asem no ba no Ghana Bar Association earlier omo dem gidi and what you been can
no
omo nyina tenase ahu say babi asem ikwe yedi mama we eche nim beguase because earlier no omba begu obonim ase our lawyers were talking like coffee makers because some na no ye nyansa bia anim because as lawyers you know so we all have issue with the constitutional process point to specific constitutional infringement.
That's right.
Yeah, so Ghana Bar Association were rather discussing personal feelings and emotions and could not ground their complaint in any law.
The law is the law.
Now when I don't know original kind the law is the law no matter the noises you make. You see Omobia that is why I'm say this woman should just shut up and face the law. I no I say is the law no. So offensive we are not coming out clear. Obia ni bibia no. But some of us are here as sentinels. Destined are protecting the very foundations of our democracy. And that thing no is far bigger and larger than any single individual. So don't you sit there and think that your personal wishes and we know should override and you think you are better because oko school papa lego no mo wie no mo ngo obia kobi
me da say Ivan Chainos and nothing.
No matter how many noises are made, the law is the law. No matter how many noises are made, the law is the law.
Mame Araba Isaba Torkonuu. There also be a who say ne flyer or the barbonting say or they call a press conference no or impersonate ye say or your chief justice wabra boni FABB adjective otchere senior bibitie otiase enti say o cerebral focasa yes adjectives qualify nouns obian ka say chief justice no sebi onye ebida na oye chief justice kopim say ye born ne san ye say oko church of Pentecost na okoye eniamon ho a asoro no bow san ye nka say wonye member biem na mum udibia ekura wo a ema wo ye member no ye bow san a ye bodi bia ne so san kopim say ye be hwehwe wo nsemu ana say adwobre beba ana ebindie beba enti so wo hwe ne statement na ne flyer na wo de beto abonten no a a chese maame no oye obi a oye niamon omu de emra no esie because what dey fani say udi bem what dey fani sa say wo adwene mu no because wo adwene mu no de obi ani wono mu a odi asem wono ani tirimu a odi fo this nipa kakra bi a omo ankasa wo mahunim ne ye eno mutimi ka say oh ade we de mehu se ma anye ne ye sa nipa no mo no so wi ase etu de fani say wo to konukura wa adwene mu no udi bem ena ya tu asen kopim say tuna ya tu asen no aban ebe famra kwan so reinstate you perish my thoughts anyway perish my thoughts kopim say aban ebe ka say oh to me tu say no matwe asan no you cannot hold the title chief justice we are suspended until further notice enti the who the flyer na number bontin chief justice speaks chief justice addresses the nation afekwa the person here to say state of the nation enti me anu no me who flyer no and I'm throw to me Facebook say rather no I was so say suspended chief justice speaks and yeah and go be any ni asem enti anu kwampo no say you see you dey from na kwan so wa impersonate the office and the position of a chief justice no emma ni dedi pefe say onye nipa sebi obumra famra nya neka obumra enye sebi nipa sebio jinjan bi no less a person say o mampani mua and odin is sasha krata as catch we say kofie na ye hwehwe wo nsemu say lekin krata na say ebubo wa ya de huntan sa asoa o lekin krata na enti sas de na oye no the first offense a odi betu bedwam impersonation a criminal act and even for a very lawless chief suspended chief justice me imagine no or outgoing to have misbehaved like this no I was say eno kra no omunya enyinaso na omde twenaso eno ye one two mugabi na sometimes yeso so sebi enipa binum so wo man mu ema omo adwene mu no omo ye te se de omo no esoten oman ne mra untouchable enti no sa wo hwe a efri mampani Akufo Addo apen so eba no na nipa binum adwene ye omo se enye rule of law biem na a rule of man na rule of man bia no emma nipa na adwene ye ne se okuratu mi bi sa tumi no esoten tumi na ebia emra no dia ma no ana se de omanfo ekura bogabi ye 1992 constitution no ade a mehu ye ne se omo ye the framers of the constitution no omo kuchira ade bi a ye friend the preamble of the constitution enti so wo hwe preamble of the constitution na o kire se power no tumi na eyo manfo eye tumi no o say de bia wo o man na bra bomu no ekura manfo yanka se ekura obi enunti o mampani kura mpa sebi odi ye so ane sebi obetimi akasa Ghana nyina no kafi obi ankoda nsia no onu mpo kura mpo no ye say ansa no obetimi ateki sa tumi no ana se obetimi aye bibi no agese wakomra se bedwam etu hwe ya time COVID-19 ba ya no Akufo Addo ye say wa wode wo pe ebekwa ko gina baabi wo ka se wo se no smas kana se ebekwa ko preach ma ne chechi asofo bi kwa kugu wo kai woni se eko emrani mu a emrani be kire se o mampani ni sa tumi no enunti na mampani kwampo no o member of parliament ya ene me no ka se owura John Mahama owo na se bedwani a oye ono John Mahama his excellency ni isi anamu wa mrahye bedwam enti president impokrampo no ono na owo tumi a sebi o man for krade ato abama no ono ntimi nyina bedwam enka se me mampani no me sisei obi ankoda by force ontimi yise wo dia famra kwan so na wo hwe mami Torkonuu ni sune ne ban a no wonder say
ene ne
ne papa ne Agyarko Abraham no wonder on tetiba nani atra nani ton
muade
so wo hwe from the behavior time no chief justice no na ye bo owura Mahamadu se on sorry mekasa na wo hwe de ewu a osobre na no esichiri nani fi nani pochiri nani bi e de hwe owura Mahamadu nyamni a se bi ebi ni fie wo hwe sa behavior no misbehavior na on sem fata obi a se bi owo su ne ban a ye didi chief justice no Kogabi obi we bisa say e dey na see and was there a need for it? The question is, Kogabi, to what end? Press conference here no obey ye. When you on tina me catch you say MPP lawyer bienu a onimumra.
Monim judge.
They only know the judge. And tina o say MPP for so musu Torkonuu be free oye ne e be tie nyina yakogu.
Minority for mo two tia.
Maami we on fam ra nya adwuma. Na senko bi a ode mra ya adwuma Kogabi. Emra no constitution na kan yo. Enye sebi any other law a yebetimi aka so o we de emra kunni ni kura etia. So ubusa lawyer bia wo Ghana ha ye say process no kura mpo a ye de eyi chief justice adi no. Enya de a e wo say emu bia no ebebeda bedwam. Enti petitioners me ensani nyina omo chiro petitions no. Normally like I normally do. And combat me leaky petition na ma public no. But omo leaky petition na ma ekodu mampani ho o mampani leaky petition no ema o de Command Council of State omo leaky petition no kopem say Mami Torkonuu na ono krampo na asame fa ne ho no. O tro koma mampani say o mampani entimi ma say wo se the petition bi aba a e fa me ho wabra mi na se bi asame e fa me ho no. O ma me copy no man penin so no na waye na adwe wasi na adwene mu pi se me fam raw na etire bi ekoliki a wa be ka se me mom kra na maliki no kopim se o man penin di petitions no e bi ma Mahamadu Torkonuu no Kogabi ni e better studio ha ni e sufre copies of the petition me boa me kwa na me ni se emramu no eni kwan se omu e di petition ni betu badwam. Ema mi be kan no studio ha say ye be say so mo hu copies no ni enkenkan ema ora fari so fosu kwa achi be gina public catch ye nyina ye say enya dia o betimi dia ma public ni because emra kunni ne say e wo say eye shaded in secrecy copy say maame no beko meboa ye di petition ni copy ni maame no ade atia na bi before a press conference oh we assemble na wom ada no odi ni kura tu kwan and I did na fa no mark gira baby
samfun
no mu kekan sem hunu a Kogabi
e ka fun kan
na me catch Ghana for say me catch them say maami wei onye chief justice bia or chief injustice oye wo bia oye MPP for women organizer ye na court na adwuma bia wo ye bia ya MPP adwuma nya o man adwuma
enam ne ye enti
ne ye ne su ne ban enti because kopem se John Mahama no mo de petition ne copy se mama me no na ni abonten John Mahama mo de copy se ma no na MPP fa copy no and on the be public and on the press conference me boa mo kasa me boa enti se wo hwe sa anioma o ye na wo hwe de na o da na di na o ye up to something
tell no ye na contempt na
e contemptuous. Just that the committee doesn't have any power to draw her before the committee to punish her for that offense. Even though, entino, me say, committee no, omon fa ne tisa de sebi abrewa we in from abone we na na omonyo omajuma. Esan say adwuma na omo ye dia ma omo na ye omo adwuma. the Torkonuu ya ne de ete se de se
retire no so
aboa tafre bi nam osunu bi ata so
resign
ne de resign na Akufo Addo kra ya pam no
baby ojina sese
baby Akufo Addo kra ya pam
emra no de na ka baby ojina sese obetima resign na be retire
baby ojina no kra no o resign kra enye yie na be di na asem se ne se fata ena sebi se utie press conference na o ye na ugabi na medwin se o ba be gina mra bi so aka se o mampani afom mra bi ana se bi council of state for afom mra bi ana committee ni members no kra pro afom mra bi
motata no
and someone what can who be brother sam se bi abababo bi anim na se bi anim kan se bi nti a wo se na ebi nu kro mo phone Torkonuu na we afi se wo krampa we chief justice no na wo ka che se ye ba court me na me civilian no se me wo dreadlocks krampa e wo se me kata so by force e wo se me shoot una ato atare ma me we nu nyamu da ye wo Ghana ha na wo na be che de ye nye asomafo se o phone adeya ya threaten me obi a wo what me a lawyer o papa ekwa ofa so a oye ya pam ni free kofodia se tech krampo no kram nka ho asem ne
another day
wunti o papa ya pam no si ya so akofa ne ma bi ama ho sensam
de so nka no na de o se
they can't say ekwa ya papa no fa so a o twa school fees
Torkonuu na
what ma say yanka ho asem na wo ba be ka che say ya threaten to wo ko school no nim say ya threaten wa wo ba bi e wo so de wa asem ko na wo be ka threaten Ghana ha. Do you know how you have used the weaponized court now to threaten the lives of many? Do you know how you have made Ghanaians under your torture? No? Do you know how you have made us feel? What saying? Send you be threatening lives. Do you know how you are threatening our lives as a judge? When you are sitting in the comfort of your court, dictating the pace of all the to the extent say maybe Mugabe. Now we are Ghanaian. Ye kase kokota na akwese ya budia okay etino sanyoma na obegina bedwam kekane nyoma no
odi mesi no
odi medi usie no odi ye e di adane nsem nkwanta obi no ye owo sympathy bia ma Torkonuu
onko
me no hu eya na ensemi bi wo ha mramu no ntino ntimi nka ne yie eni se we no nka committee bia hu hia e wo se nkomu woni nkunsa no mo woni nkonsa na ba bi obekwa akoto no so no prapra ni hu wie na wati Torkonuu wanu ohu fia na ko odi asu anyansa ya te Ghana ha hwede na afa nyoma ke ne woye ena awia tete odi asema be down 2 o'clock why panel 3 o'clock na judgment aba me the LGBT asema be to anim asema na aka fa ho ya jiji ni level Ghana ha minority caucus led by Ogude Tonum womo fa asema nkoda court womo di asem no edru MPP fa asem so bia ene ohu hare etimi de mesre se sebi committee ni nkoso anya na adwuma
okay
Ghana for yeso ya dwen kire be koso a kire obi ani wonu ma sebi obehu Torkonuu mobo wa hu ye mobo wabra na ehia no wa hu ye mobo time ani tumutu asema ba wan ka bia moayen osori na akogina puppet anim no aso preachi no sankofu wo nyina so bi Christopher nti na nanse na ja asori ko no eti mesre obi a ntre na adwen fa ho se Torkonuu no na adwen ye ne se law ne nya law bi na fa emotions a onkoso no emotional drama ye be koso ahwe me kwa no na me data asa me koto bi ehwe ni nyina me concept party no oye onkoso no onye concert no committee ni nya na adwuma opa ma ni si committee na nim committee ni be tro se wa ama absenteeism and fire ho wan ko obi a hu say how can you think say Ghana for betina ho I'm a wounded lioness like you as ababaji wadwa na wo baba chain de wo pe we have had a new chief justice
is
acting
very well and say
kopim say chief justice here wo hoyi obey na djuma awie no Ghana for tanachi medasi pafo boni no yire mo nkoso ara mo mo adwuma medasi esam donso.
No matter how many noises are made, the law is the law. No matter how many noises are made, the law is the law.
Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to share the video to all platforms. I'll see you in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.